Rakhi is coming. Let's make a wonderful craft for our lovely brothers who take care of us. Let's make a special Rakhi for them with stickers. So I have these stickers, water stickers, and I also have transparent stickers, as you can see. So I'm using these stickers, these water stickers, beautiful, and these transparent stickers, as you can see. So without any further ado, let's start our craft. So I am using this red and yellow thread to make my Rakhi.